Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful earring. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter, needle, eye hook, two plastic circles in different size. One big one small one. Fish hook, some fancy beads. For this project, I am using 2 mm crochet hook. Also, we want some tools. To do this earring, we want to know single crochet. First, we will cover the big circle using single crochet and then the small circle using single crochet. Then we will make a rectangle piece using single crochet and then we will join these beads and fish hook. So now let's see how to do them. Start with a slip knot. Take the smaller circle, insert the hook through the circle, insert the hook in this loop, pull through. You have to do chain 1. Yarn over, pull through the loop. So now we have attached this yarn through this circle. Next we are going to do single crochet in this circle to cover the circle. So we'll catch this tail along for each stitch. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet around this circle. After doing single crochet around the circle, it looks like this. Next, you can finish this round by doing a slip stitch in this first single crochet. Do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So after completing the round, it looks like this. Next, you can weave this thread inside the stitches. After weaving them, it looks like this. Same way, we have to cover the big circle by doing single crochet around the circle. So now we have completed the big circle as well as the small circle. So now we will do the connector to join both the circles. Start with the slip knot. Do 15 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do 15 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After doing 15 chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to work in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2. You are going to do a single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next, it's single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. Next, it's single crochet. Next, it's single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this last stitch. After doing single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work, do a single crochet in the first stitch, do a single crochet in the next stitch, do a single crochet in the next stitch. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this last stitch. After doing single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. Next, you can do chain 1, extend the yarn little bit for weaving and snip off this yarn. So it looks like this. Next, we'll see how to join them to the circle. Take both the circles. Before that, we will weave this extra thread inside the stitches. Insert them inside this circle. Same way, insert them inside this circle. Now we are going to join both of them. You can make a knot to secure the stitches. Now the earring looks like this. Next we'll see how to join the bead and the fish hook. So take the eye hook. I have cut the eye hook for the required length. Open this eye hook. Insert it in the stitch. Close them. Next take the bead, insert it inside. You can cut little bit. So insert the fish hook. Attaching the beads and the fish hook, it looks like this. The earrings looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.